Hi, welcome back to another episode of Cooking with Dave in the Kitchen. And today I'd like to show you how I made these nice, good peanut butter cookies. Very easy, very soft and moist, delicious. Follow along with me and y'all see how I make these. Okay, we're going to start off with some butter, room temperature. Then we're going to put some sugar in it. Okay, and we're going to whisk this together till it comes into a smooth paste. Add in a little bit of brown sugar, followed by some eggs, one egg. We're going to put in a little bit of baking soda, about 3 to 4 baking soda. Okay, we're going to put in vanilla extract. Half teaspoon of baking powder. Okay, we want to put in a little bit, about 3 to 4 cups of peanut butter, creamy or crunchy, whatever you prefer. Okay, that ought to do it. And then we're going to mix this real quick. And we're going to put 1 cup and 1/3 of a cup of all-purpose flour. And then we're going to combine this together again. Okay, now we will take our cookies and we will start rolling them into balls. Okay, we'll come back when we're done. Okay, next I like to take a little bit of cinnamon and sugar, and I like to take a little fork with it and press down on every one of them. Make sure the cinnamon gets in on them. Like that. Look at that. Look at the beauty of that. I mean, these are delicious. I've let them cool down a little bit. And now I'm going to stack them on top of the plate of cookies here. Very delicious. Easy to make. I mean, look how pretty that is. Look at the color of it, everything. It's so beautiful. And this is so easy to make. Anybody can make it. Anyways, we'll come back in a little bit and do a taste test. Look at these cookies. We're going to do a taste test on it. Something. This is my favorite part. Look at that beautiful cookie. Just look at that. It's so moist. Very moist. Look at that. Look how it falls apart right there. Look at that. Very delicious. There we go. That is so good. That is very tasty. I want to appreciate y'all for watching my channel. And don't forget, please don't forget to hit that subscribe button. If you do hit that subscribe button, hit that bell so you don't miss another episode of my videos. And I want to appreciate the ones that have subscribed so far. I appreciate y'all. Thank y'all for watching. And I'll see y'all next time.